Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to connect Bluetooth speaker to our Vivo phone. Guys, you want to connect this Bluetooth speaker in your Vivo phone. So as you can connect this speaker in your Vivo phone, and guys, now let's see how to connect speakers in our Vivo phone guys. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you, if you're new in my channel and you are watching my video first time, so first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So then first of all open your phone setting to connect this speaker. Guys, click on Bluetooth and device setting, and guys click on your Bluetooth, and guys on your Bluetooth, and guys click on new device, and guys speaker guys we will on it from this button. So first button guys press, it will on, and guys second guys you can see your Bluetooth, so press on Bluetooth, and guys now you can see refresh guys. So you can see that the JBL speaker, so we will click on this JBL speaker name, then it will connect in your Vivo phone automatic. So you can see guys JBL Go speaker has connected for calls and media. So I hope friends you have understood how to connect Bluetooth speaker to our Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.